What is Bitcoin and why is it taking over the world? Welcome guys, my name is Pedro and as you already know, I'm one of the experts in the online school Moneyfest, where we help people to start making their first money in crypto. So for that today, I'm gonna tell you why Bitcoin is taking over, why you are seeing it now every single place that you're going, and you will see it even more because it's the future. So I recommend you to pay very close attention during the whole video because I'm gonna give you some very important information. Okay, now with all of that said guys, watch until the end to get all the information. At the end there's something very important. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you receive these videos always and you don't miss all of this information. Now with all of that said guys, I think we can get started. Now first of all, what is exactly Bitcoin? Well, Bitcoin is a digital currency, not a physical currency, a digital currency that was created in 2009. One of the most important things is that Bitcoin is not created or controlled by central banks, which is how normal currencies are created. The government with the central bank create a currency and they can print it, they can unprint it, they can do whatever they want. Bitcoin was created by an anonymous party and then operates on a blockchain technology. This is basically the technology under Bitcoin that is super strong, and that basically means that nobody can play with it, nobody can do anything to it. It's very, very, very strong. This ensures, as you can see there, the security and the transparency of all transactions. So basically, is money in the internet. Unlike fiat currencies like dollars or euros, Bitcoin has not physical form. You cannot touch it. It's on the internet, but it's very, very safe thanks to this blockchain technology. Now, why is Bitcoin taking over the world? Well, let's talk first about decentralization. Well, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized platform. What does that mean? Well, that means that there's no central authority. There's no one who controls Bitcoin who can decide to print more Bitcoin, to generate new Bitcoins, or something like that. Nobody is in control. It's the money of the people. All transactions are recorded in a distributed ledger, that's the technology that they use, the blockchain, which is stored on thousands of computers worldwide. So compare, your money, the rands, the euro, the dollar, are being printed by 5 guys who decide the future of the nation, while in Bitcoin, the whole world can use it, but nobody can control it. So there's nobody taking advantage of it. It's completely free, completely decentralized, working in computers of a lot of people around the world. So as you can see, literally taking over already in the physical format. Now, not only that, but as I said, Bitcoin is based on the blockchain. Now, what is the blockchain? Well, the blockchain is the technology behind Bitcoin. It consists of a chain of blocks, each containing a record of transactions. Basically, in Bitcoin, you have a chain of transactions. Let's imagine it like an Excel where you put all the transactions that people send money to each other, okay? And all of them get confirmed and nobody can manage them after. So if I send money to you, for example, in South Africa, it will appear on the blockchain and it will be there forever. Nobody can after come and change it. This is, again, super, super safe. It's not like banks where they can change the statements or things like that. No, this is free and this is open. Everybody can check that the transaction is there. Obviously, it's private, so you don't know exactly who did this transaction, but you can check that a transaction was made at that point, which makes it very, very safe and very, very transparent. Okay, now why is Bitcoin so popular? Well, for plenty of reasons, Bitcoin is getting popular, but the most important ones are, first of all, the total supply of Bitcoin is limited. Only 21 million coins will be ever created. Now, what does this mean? Well, in normal currencies, as I said, the government or the guys who run the central banks, they can decide to make more coins. For example, when we see the rand going down every time we can buy less, it's because they are printing rands, they are making it worthless. With Bitcoin, it's the other way around. From the beginning, it was decided that there would be 21 millions. So it's completely limited. It's not like gold, which is limited but halfway because actually they control the mice. No, this is completely transparent. You can go, you can check it. There's only going to be 21 million. This means that this scarcity, the lack of Bitcoins, can lead to the price increase, as we are already seeing. Imagine, guys, if every single millionaire in the world would want to buy Bitcoin, they wouldn't be able, because there's way more than 21 million millionaires in the world. So imagine how scarce it is, how few there is. That is why Bitcoin is getting so much attraction, because it's so limited. Not only that, but there has been a recent volatility in the last months. Now, what does that mean? Well, volatility is basically the fluctuation in the prices. Now, what does this mean? It means that Bitcoin is blowing up. We have seen how in the last days, Bitcoin went from $69,000 all the way to $90,000. Imagine, guys, Bitcoin at the beginning of the last year was at $15,000. It has multiplied by over 6. It's crazy. And this is because people are realizing of the value and now they are coming in. Everybody wants part in Bitcoin. Why? Well, main reason, high inflation in traditional currencies. As I said, Bitcoin is limited. So we know there's no inflation. There's the minimum inflation to keep Bitcoin working, and it's already established from the beginning until the end. In countries with unstable economies, however, we are seeing high inflation. Places like Ukraine, places like Venezuela, places, well, like Kenya, like everywhere else where they have problems with inflation, people is going to Bitcoin because there they can store their money in a store of value, basically like gold as a mean of exchange. So they can keep all their value there. So those are the main reasons why Bitcoin is getting so popular. A lot of traction in the media, a lot of value because it's limited, and a good hedge against inflation. Now, all of that is very good to understand Bitcoin, and now you already know the basics. But guys, if you want to get into the next level, if you're just starting out and you want to learn more how to invest, how to make money in cryptocurrencies, as I told you, you are in the right place. Because in our school, Moneyfest, we help people to start making their first money in crypto from scratch, and always with the support that you need. So guys, if you want to start learning, you can do it right now with a special discount of 70%. Yes, 70% in my course, Crypto Investment Successful Start 2.0. You can join us right now, not for 1,399 rands, which is the normal price, but for 399 rands, and start earning on cryptocurrency. Start getting that knowledge, when to buy, when to sell, and how to start making profits. So guys, if you want to go one step ahead and start making money in crypto, click on the link that you have in the description and buy the course right now, because this discount is gonna last only for 3 days. So hurry up and buy the course now for only 399 rands. You have the link in the description, and I will be seeing you inside, literally live. You will be able to ask me questions and everything. So guys, I am waiting for you. Click on the link down below and I will see you inside. Now, with all of that said, guys, leave a comment if you like the video and let me know what would you like me to talk about in the next video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!